I want to take a look at how to create a Viz-In tooltip in Tableau. I am using Tableau version 2020.1. The first step to create a Viz-In tooltip is to create a sheet that will actually contain the tooltip. What I'm going to do is I am going to build a map by double-clicking on country and dragging my sales to color. This will show the darker the blue, the higher the sales in this particular country. I am then also going to drag sales to a label to see the total sales for this particular country in the whole data set. The next step is to rename this sheet to country. What we want to do is when someone hovers over one of these countries to see a tooltip. And in this tooltip, we see the country breakdown. And the country breakdown is that by state or province. Now, we need to create another sheet. So we create a new sheet, double click state and province. And now we can see Tableau creates circles for us. But we actually want to put sales on color, and then we get the same view, but now broken down for each state and province. Next step is to move sales to label, and this will look quite cluttered, but what we're going to do is we're gonna rename this sheet to say region. Now, if we go back into the country view, we are now able to use this region sheet in the tooltip. So in order to create a Viz-In tooltip, we need to click on the tooltip, then we need to create some white space, insert, go to sheets, and then select the sheet that you want to use as the Viz-In tooltip. By default, Tableau will set a max and a height and width of 300, and it will apply all filtering when you hover over a mark. What that means is if I now hit OK and hover over Germany, we can see it sends the German filter to the other sheet. If I then hover over France, we see exactly the same, but then for France. This allows the user to see in one view multiple angles of the data.